Good morning everyone. Good morning sir, ma'am. First, I would like to welcome and acknowledge the presence of everyone. Also, we acknowledge the presence of the speakers, Sir Inigo Garingalao, the head of ICAS, and Ma'am Joyce Isidro, the senior marketing director of IMB. And of course, the participants that have readied themselves in this program. It is an honor to be speaking here in front of you all. Project Baga is a project dedicated to spread awareness about the dangers of smoking and vaping, especially to the youth, as they have become a trend that is difficult to avoid and stop undoing. And it started as a mere requirement for NSTP, but as the progress starts to grow, it has become an advocacy to combat the trend that is destroying not only the youth, but also the environment. As Dr. Jose Rizal has said, the youth is the hope of the motherland. This program targets the youth because we believe in the capacity and ability of the young. Their intellect and their drive to create a better community is strong. However, poison is also spreading in them. As early as we can, we must shape the youth and form them to become bright leaders that someone can rely on. So, without further delay, let us start the program because there is a lot more to learn today. Thank you and good morning once again.
Tumayong buong tapang harapin ang buhay at kapin ang tagumpay. Tulungan ang kapwa at bigyang halaga, huwag hatakin ng pababa. Isipin huwag sana ang sarili lang, pakisama't bayanihan. Subukan nating isulong at ligawan ang magandang bukas. Ikaw at ako magkasama tayo sa lubungin ng kinabukasan. Hawakan ng aking kamay, sabay abutin natin ang tagumpay. Patuloy lang tayo sa pagpapanday, tiwala sa Diyos ang sandat at gabay. Subukan nating isulong